Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a new contact on our Magic 7 Lite. So firstly open up the Phones app, obviously. Now go into contacts and then tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can tap on this camera icon just to change the profile pic. You can choose one from gallery or take one. I will choose from gallery. So this one. Tap on this icon, the right corner, and now you can rotate it, crop it, align it, and stuff like that. Okay. Okay. Then you can just tap this icon, the right corner, if you're ready. Now you can of course put things like name, and you have blanks such as name prefix, first name, middle name, last name, and name suffix. But obviously I have to fill all of those. The most important is going to be the first name, and you don't even have to add the last name, but you should probably add it. You can also add organization and title. You can add the most important thing, which is the phone number. You can add few of those, and you can label them as something completely different. This one can be, for example, mail, and this one can be labeled as work. It works the same with an email. You can add few of these and label each one of them as something different. You can also write notes about these contacts. And groups. Groups are just groups, so you can have groups like work, family, friends, and assign this contact to some of these. So let's say we'll add friends. Okay, and let's say we'll assign it to friends, family, and work. Okay, now we can tap on this icon if we're ready, if we are done, and as you can see, it has been added to family and work. So that's basically almost all. You can tap on add more fields, and you'll be able to see fields like other communicators, a ringtone. You can set it as a custom ringtone. So if this person calls you, it's going to be the only person that is calling with a different ringtone. So you hear when that person calls you. Okay. You can also add an address, a nickname, a website, internet call, some date. It doesn't have to be a birthday. It can be anniversary, and a relationship with that person. Now you can tap on this icon in the right corner to save your contact. And now if you would like to share some info about this contact, you can just simply press and hold this on this info, tap on copy to clipboard, and then you can just paste it somewhere, or tap on share and share it to someone. Or you can just go ahead and tap on this QR code icon, and someone else can scan it, or you can share the QR code. Or the last option, tap on three dots in bottom right corner, share contact, and you can share it either QR code. So you have two options: a text, which is the text. You have a key and a value, key name and value is XXX in my case, and you can just paste it somewhere, and then change the maybe you don't want to share the second phone number, so you can just change it, delete it, or you can share it as a vCard. And it's just a small file that contains all of the information about the contact. So that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.